From an accessory that lets your phone connect to satellites to a phone that can transform its screen with the flip of a switch, these are the coolest mobile gadgets I've seen at CES. The HMZ OffGrid lets your phone connect to satellite networks for times when you don't have a cell connection. A lot of new phones like the iPhone 16 lineup have this built in already, but this could be ideal if you have an older phone and spend a lot of time hiking in remote areas. It's available now and costs $200, but you do need a subscription which starts at $80 a year for the cheapest plan. Next is the TCL 60 XE NextPaper 5G. This phone has a dedicated switch that turns the screen into an e-ink display, which should be easier on your eyes when you're reading. There's also a cool animation that lets you watch the screen slowly transform before your eyes. This tech was already available in phones that TCL has launched in other countries, but this is the first model available in the US with this functionality. I also really loved Samsung's concept micro LED smartwatch display. I've reviewed a lot of smartwatches, and this is the brightest screen I've ever seen on a watch. But this is just a concept, so we don't know if we'll ever see it in an actual product. But it was so bright, I could see it even from a few feet away. There were a lot of smart glasses at this show, but the TCL RayNeo X3 Pro were among my favorites, and here's why. These AR smart glasses are lighter than the previous model, but that's not what makes them interesting. They'll work with a gesture-controlled wristband that essentially lets you use your hand as a computer mouse. While I didn't really get to try this technology in the glasses themselves, I did do a demo on a giant screen, and it was really fun. I got to navigate the interface and play games on a big screen. I'm really looking forward to seeing how they work in the smart glasses in the future. And lastly, one of my favorite devices at CES solves a really common problem. It's called the Swippet, and it's essentially a toaster that adds more battery life to your phone in just 2 seconds. But the way it does this is a little bit unconventional. First, you have to have the battery case. And then when you have your phone in the battery case, you can place it in the slot at the top of the device, and it swaps out your depleted battery in the case for a freshly charged one in just 2 seconds. But it's really expensive at $450 for the device itself and $120 for each case. So those are some of my favorite mobile devices from CES. Which ones were your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to check out CNET for more CES coverage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.